Hello everyone, here is the installation process video of Figoo Forerunner S2. The accessories shown here are the ones we will use later. Please tidy up and check before installing. We'll get Okay, to start our installation, now we take the big guy out and unfold it from its folded state, then snap on the buckle. Note that first we take off the cover and screws at the connection of the front of the e-bike, and there is an aluminum alloy tube. Then put the front of the e-bike on it, adjust the direction and tighten the two screws. Here make sure your nose is perpendicular to the front wheel frame below. Adjust the orientation of the battery, align it with the charging buckle below, and tighten your bike key. After alignment, install it firmly. We pay attention to aligning the socket of the lamp with the lines on the socket end. Please do not use brute force. Now we install this cushion separately. First place a smooth arched part with no texture on the lower part of the two metal bars of the seat cushion. Then find our cylindrical nut and put it in the bayonet position of the corresponding part. The textured arched part is then covered. Press it firmly, then put on our seat pull. Please note that the protrusion of the seat post is aligned with the direction of the tip of the saddle. Then put in the long screw and tighten it, then place it on the saddle of the frame. Now we install the fenders for the front wheels and the lights. First take the fenders out from under, and second place our lights. Get the long screw through and install the spacer and nut. Tighten. Note that the wrench and the inner hexagonal wrench are used together. Install the screws on both sides of the fender. Take the prepared basket and align it with the 4 screw holes on the front of the vehicle. Put in the screw and tighten it. Before installing the pedals, pay attention to distinguish the left and right sides, which are labeled on the pedals. Align the buckle of the pedal of the vehicle, turn it counterclockwise to tighten it, and then fix it with a wrench. The same on the other side. Okay, our installation video is over here. Thanks for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions.